What's your name?
Ella.
How old are you?
7.
Okay. There's 2 glasses of water here. Do they have the same amount of water? Does this glass have more or does this glass have more?
Same amount.
Why?
Because this glass is has the same height as that glass.
Okay. Well, now we're going to take this glass and we're going to pour the glass of water into here. Now, which glass has more water? This glass, or are they the same?
This glass.
Why?
Because this glass is taller.
Okay, good job. Now, I'm going to put some nickels in front of you. And I'm going to have you tell me if they have the same amount in each row or not. Which row has more? This row, or do they have the same amount?
Same amount.
Why?
Because there's 5 on the first one, 5 on the second one.
Okay, now I'm going to spread these apart. And which line has more now? This line, or do they have the same amount?
The first line.
Why?
Because they're spread apart.
Okay. Thank you. Now, I have graham crackers, and you have one. Do I have more, do you have more, or do we have the same amount?
You have more.
Why?
Because there's one more than one.
Okay. Now I'm going to break this in half. Now, do I have more, do you have more, or do we have the same amount?
Same amount.
Why?
Because there's 2 right here and 2 right here.
Okay, good job. What's your name?
Donovan.
How old are you?
4.
Alright, Donovan. So there's these 2 glasses of water. Does this one have more water? Does this one have more water? Or do they have the same amount?
Same amount.
Alright, now I'm going to take this big cup and pour this glass of water in here. Now, does this glass have more water? Does this glass have more water? Or do they have the same amount?
Same amount.
The same amount? Why? Why do they have the same amount? Now, does this one have more water? Does this one have more water? Or do they have the same amount?
No.
This one has more water? Do you want to explain what you did?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I put that one in that one cup.
Why?
Because that's 4. This is 1.
So it can have more water?
Mm-hmm.
No? Okay. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. How much?
Count?
No. Are there more nickels in this row, or are they the same?
Same.
They're the same. Why?
Because.
Who's that? Who's Violet's class? Alright. So now,
Where?
does this row have more? Does this row have more? Or are they the same?
No. That one has a lot.
This one has more?
Yeah.
Why? Does this one have more? Does this one have more, or are they the same?
No. That one has more. That one has more. Dude. That one has more.
Why?
Because...
Okay. Good job. Right there. So, do I have more graham crackers? Do you have more graham crackers, or are we equal?
I have one. You have two.
So who has more?
I think.
Alright, now if I do this, do I have more graham crackers? Do you have more graham crackers, or are we equal?
I equal.
You're equal with me? Why?
No, I'm equal by myself.
Now you have more than me. Alright, good job. Now,
Who's here?
nobody.
Oh, Pluto. Hey, I can see myself. Hey, 1 second, 1 second. 1 second.
But I needed to see the table.